Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete everything from your iPhone to make it like new. Whether you are selling your iPhone or just want a fresh restart, here's how you can do it. Open up Settings. Inside Settings, simply tap on your Apple ID. Scroll below, tap on iCloud. Now tap on iCloud Backup and make sure backup this iPhone is turned on. Scroll down and then tap on Backup Now. This will back up all of your personal data to iCloud so you can easily transfer it to a new device. Once the backup is completed, there's one thing we need to do. Go back to the previous screen and then tap on Find My. Now, simply tap on Find My iPhone and then turn it off. You may need to require to enter your Apple ID password when prompted. Now that your phone is backed up and Find My iPhone is turned off, return to the main setting page. Scroll down, tap on General, scroll down again, then tap on Transfer and Reset iPhone. Simply tap on Erase All Content and Settings and you will see a message explaining what will be removed. To proceed, tap on Continue and follow the steps to completely erase all data from your iPhone. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.